दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। It is submitted by the learned senior advocate appearing on behalf of the appellant that even as already held by this court in the case of Shambhu Patel versus Shuman Patel, the complainant does not have any right to file an application under section 173(8) CRPC once the charge sheet is framed. It is submitted that in the present case the charge sheet is already filed and the evidence of the complainant has been recorded, and therefore the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate was justified in rejecting the application for further investigation under section 173(8) CRPC preferred by the private respondent herein. It is submitted that if the opportunity would have been given to the appellant by permitting the appellant to be impleaded as a party respondent in the special criminal application, the appellant could have pointed out the aforesaid aspects and submit the case on merits. It is submitted that even otherwise, looking to the allegations in the writ petition before the High Court, as the private respondent herein has made allegations against the investigating agency that the investigation is not carried out by the investigating officer properly, the appellant being accused is a necessary and proper party, and in his absence effective adjudication of the subject matter of the dispute may not take place. Number of other submissions have been made by the learned senior advocate appearing on behalf of the appellant on merits of the application submitted by the private respondent herein for further investigation under section 173(8) CRPC. However, for the reasons stated herein below, and as the main special criminal application against the order passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate rejecting an application submitted by the private respondent herein for further investigation under the aforesaid section is pending consideration by the High Court, we do not propose to go into the merits of the application submitted by the private respondent herein for further investigation. Shri Maninder Singh, learned senior advocate appearing on behalf of the appellant, has also heavily relied upon Rule 51 of the Gujarat High Court Rules 1993 in support of his submissions that as per the rule, all parties to the proceedings from which the appeal or application arises shall be made the parties to the appeal or application. It is submitted that therefore also, and as the appellant herein was a party to the criminal case number 853 of 2001, in fact the private respondent herein ought to have impleaded the appellant in the special criminal application. The present appeal is vehemently opposed by the private respondent herein as well, the learned advocate appearing for the state of Gujarat. It is vehemently submitted that in an application under section 173(8) CRPC for further investigation with respect to one another accused, namely Shri Bhaumik, the appellant has no locus, as the appellant as such is already charge sheeted and the trial against him is going on. it is submitted that in the special criminal application, the private respondent herein has challenged the order passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, rejecting the application under this section, which was basically made with respect to one another accused, Shri Bhaumik, as he was not charge sheeted. The appellant herein cannot be said to be a necessary or proper party. It is submitted that even the appellant also cannot be said to be an affected party even if the special criminal application is allowed and the application for further investigation under section 173(8) CRPC against Shri Bhaumik is allowed. It is further submitted that being a proposed accused, even he has no locus or say at this stage for further investigation. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों ने अच्छे से लिखा होगा और आपको ये बहुत पसंद आई होगी। मैटर मैंने बहुत अच्छे से कोशिश की है इसको अरेंज करने की, एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड बनाने की। काफ़ी सारे मैंने एग्ज़ाम के मैटर्स देखने के बाद इन मैटर्स को तैयार करने की कोशिश की है। तैयार करने का मैंने एक कोशिश ये की है कि आपको एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड मैटर मिले। थोड़ा सा टफ मैं इनका एग्ज़ाम से लेवल रखता हूँ इसलिए ताकि आपको एग्ज़ाम में कोई भी दिक्कत ना आए। अगर इससे ईजी आ जाता है तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आने वाली। अदरवाइज़ जितना लेवल का मैं डिक्टेशन दे रहा हूँ मेरे हिसाब से इतना ही लेवल का मैक्सिमम आ सकता है। इसमें आपने एक चीज़ नोटिस की होगी कि मैंने ब्रैकेट्स वगैरह नहीं बोले हैं। उसका कारण ये है, अगर वैसे तो कई सारे कोर्स में ऐसा होता है कि ब्रैकेट्स वगैरह बोले जाते हैं, कॉमा भी बोले जाते हैं, लेकिन वो आपके लिए एक एडिशनल बेनिफिट हो जाएगा अगर आपको वो दिए जाएंगे तो। अदरवाइज आप क्या कर सकते हैं, जो मैंने डिक्टेशन आपको दे दी उसमें आप खुद से लगाइए ब्रैकेट्स, खुद से कोशिश कीजिए कि यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट हो सकता है। तो आपसे मुलाकात करूंगा मैं अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।